Hello, hello, crafty friends. Stacy here with a sneak peek at my January 2026 card class. That's right, I said January 2026. I cannot believe we are at the new year. It just boggles my mind, but here we are. Anyway, these are the gorgeous cards going to be making, and this is the awesome bundle that I'm going to be using. So it's the Endless Love bundle. This is available to purchase on January 6th, 2026. So make sure you come back to my website because we have so many new products that come out on January 6th. So something that I'm going to be doing throughout this entire year is the first Saturday of every month, as usual, that's my online free card class. You are free to come and watch me put together these cards. Then after my class, I will upload the tutorial to my website, and there'll also be a link where you can purchase all of the pre-cut items to put this kit together. You would only need the stamp set, or you would have to use something in your stash. So I do sell pre-cut kits, and also I sell instant downloadable tutorials, but you can get the tutorial for free if you shop with me in the month of January and only make a $25 purchase. So a $25 purchase, even if you're a demonstrator, you will get the tutorial free to you within 24 hours to your inbox. Or you can purchase it and have an instant download, or purchase the pre-cut kit and that will ship out to you. So anyway, let's go through the cards that we're going to be making using this set, and then I'll show you all the dies that you get. But look at this. We're going to make this fun shaker. I'm going to show you how to use acetate, how to make a nice pop-up shaker like this. So that is our shaker card. And then this fun fold, that's what I'm going to call it. It's like hearts wrapped in a hug. How adorable is this card? Love that. That is your card. It's just on a thick white card base. So it just folds with your hearts, and then you tie a little bow. So super sweet card here. Let me just tie this bow and I'll get that out of the way. And then next we have this. Look at that embossing. So this is using the embossing folder that comes if you buy the entire suite. So I brought that in. And if you pick up any pre-cut card kits from me, you'll receive all of the die cuts, anything that's embossed, all of the tags, any embellishments. You receive everything. You just sit down with a tutorial that'll link you back to the video and your adhesive, and you put this together. So this is the third card. And then this fourth card here, again, we're using that embossing folder, but it's a hidden cutout. So that is a cutout I used to cut out one of the hearts, and then I backed it with some of the DSP. Just love the gold details that I added here. So this is my January 2026 Endless Love card class. So be sure to come back January 3rd to see that. And if you like everything, you can pick up this set on the 6th. So these, actually, I don't even need to show you the dies anymore. I don't have to take them out because this is them. I mean, they're not true to size. So let me show you. That is the size of the biggest heart. So let's show you. Here's the arrow, these X's and O's. Love the X's and O's. You get the banner. And then mine is a mess, but here are the hearts. So you get this big heart. You have this charm looking heart. Then this cuts that outline right there. And then you have what I'm calling like a medium heart. And then all the X's and O's and all your different size arrows. So it's a great set. And then the stamp set, these are just the stamps that come with it. So I'll give you a close up. That fits in what I said was this heart right here. It perfectly stamps over that heart. So that is my January 2026 class, Endless Love. I hope you'll come back and check that out. And then also, what I'm doing, so the first Saturday of the month, I show a card class. You can pick it up or get it free. And then every Tuesday that follows after the first Saturday of the month, I'm going to use the same bundle, and I'm going to bring you more projects the rest of the month. So I'll give you a sneak peek on January since I have them all prepped because I was just on vacation for work, so I had plenty of time. So we are going to be doing the shaving cream technique. Okay, so that's... smells so good. So haven't done shaving cream in a long time. So be sure to check that out. Make sure you follow me so you don't miss any of these classes. We're going to do a fun fold hidden message. And I also use here the little alphabets. And if you see that, I cut that out of DSP, the words here. So that's that class. Then we're going to make a treat box. These boxes are still available on Stampin' Up, so you can pick them up. And this top here, my upline showed us this last year, and I'm going to show you how to create a top for this, and that's acetate on there. I use the perennial postage dies. So the top doesn't come with these gift boxes. Let me give you the gift box in case you want to pick these up. They're the book treat boxes, item number 164048. And I'm going to show you how to make this top. And then you can recreate these for any holiday, any holiday. So we'll also be making that. And then for my fourth class, we will be doing scrapbooking. So I took the scrapbook that Stampin' Up sold for this, and I redesigned 2 pages. So, and I used some techniques in there. So we are going to do that on scrapbooking, and I hope to bring at least one scrapbooking project a month. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you're not following me on Facebook, all over social media, I'm at Crafty Diva USA. That's where you'll find me. And I appreciate if you just give me a like and a share and continue to follow me because I have lots of things planned all year long. Take care now and have a wonderful crafty day.